Hello, my name is Akash. We are discuss about the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. The firstly discuss about the prokaryotic cells. The definition of prokaryotic cells, simply introduction of prokaryotic cells, an example of prokaryotic cells. The firstly definition of prokaryotic cells is prokaryotics is made up of two words, pro or kairons. Pro means primitives or kairons means nucleus. The definition of prokaryotic cells is the cell in which the nucleus is not properly developed is called as prokaryotic cells. In cell not properly developed the cell membrane or nucleus is called as prokaryotic cells. There is no cell membrane around the cell nucleus material in the prokaryotic cells. That's why the nuclear materials directly contact with the cytoplasm. Why? Because there is no nucleus membrane present in the prokaryotic cells. So cytoplasm directly contact with the nucleus material. Prokaryotic cells are the more primitive than eukaryotic cells. The all prokaryotic cells are the simple nucleocellular organism. The prokaryotic cells are present in the bacteria. It contains the single chromosomes. Mitochondria is absent in the prokaryotic cells. Cell division it takes place by fusion of budding. In prokaryotic cells, not proper develop the nucleus or nucleus membrane, so is called as prokaryotic cells. Then eukaryotic cells, the same as a prokaryotic cells, but different in eukaryotic cells properly develop the nucleus or nucleus membrane. The eukaryotic cells are also made up of two words, eu or kairons. Eu means true or kairons mean nucleus. The definition of eukaryotic cells, the cells having the nuclear material enclosed with the help of nucleus membrane is called as eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells having the proper well organization nucleus, in which eukaryotic cells the proper develop or proper organized nucleus, so is called as eukaryotic cells. In eukaryotic cells, cytoplasm not directly contact with the nucleus material because nuclear membrane are present in the eukaryotic cells. So in cytoplasm and nuclear materials in between nucleus membrane are other present. Eukaryotic cells are present in the animal, plants, fungi. It contains the more cytoplasm. Mitochondria is present in eukaryotic cells, and cell division is occurred by the meiotic cells of cell divisions. Example of eukaryotic cells is animals and plants or fungi. The simply difference between the eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells simply not proper or not organize the nucleus membrane, so is called as prokaryotic cells. And eukaryotic cells is nucleus membrane or nucleus are the present, so is called as eukaryotic cells. This is all about the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Thank you.